Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate passive income with Chime, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate passive income with Chime, start by downloading the Chime app from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account by providing your email address, phone number, and a secure password. Complete the identity verification process by entering your personal information, such as your social security number and address. Once your account is set up, explore the features offered by Chime. To open a Chime savings account, navigate to the savings section within the app. Link your existing bank account or a direct deposit source to facilitate fund transfers. Set up automatic transfers from your Chime spending account to your savings account. Choose a specific amount to transfer daily, weekly, or monthly to grow your savings effortlessly. Take advantage of Chime's high-interest savings rate, which allows your savings to earn interest over time. Monitor your progress in the app to track how your savings grow with interest. Consider using Chime's Roundup feature, which rounds up your debit card purchases to the nearest dollar and deposits the difference into your savings account. Use the Chime app to set savings goals, which can help you stay motivated and focused on your financial objectives. Explore investment options if available through Chime, as some users may benefit from further diversification. Keep an eye on any promotions or referral bonuses that Chime may offer, as these can also add to your passive income. Regularly review your savings account to adjust your automatic transfer settings based on your financial situation. Utilize Chime's budgeting tools to manage your spending effectively, ensuring you can continue to maximize your savings. Stay engaged with Chime's community or resources to learn more about optimizing your passive income strategies. By following these steps, you can effectively activate and grow your passive income with Chime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.